Did you know that 90% of homes in America are under-insulated? Knowing that, homes that are under-insulated are more prone to household problems. Things such as damaging leaks and frozen pipes are all too common to homes with an improper insulation. My name is Geoffrey Love. I'm from Upper Marlboro, Maryland, and I'm the main researcher of the Insulation Station at one of Oxon High School's top insulation research practicum projects. The Insulation Station Research Development is an extremely underrated project on America's radar right now. This is because the research being conducted isn't known by many people but impact more than 95% of Americans around the country. Considering what is going on in other states such as Texas, it is important to let you know the importance of proper insulation. Unexpected snowfall and record-breaking cold temperatures had succumbed to the normally winter-averse cities and plains of Texas during mid-February 2021. Frozen water pipes and frozen water treatment plants had left people without access to water or any safe enough to drink. With the implementation of the correct insulation type, this would eliminate all of the issues they had. That's why I believe the development of the insulation station is so important. It will give those who direly need information about insulation types the information they absolutely must know. As a bit of background information on the project, there are three main insulation materials being tested. The materials being tested are fiberglass, mineral wool, and denim insulation. Fiberglass insulation is the most common of all insulation types in the United States. This is because of its affordable cost and easy installation process. Fiberglass is used in a number of industries such as automotive, electronic, and most commonly known in the construction industries. Automotive companies tend to use fiberglass insulation inside of car metal bodies and paneling to prevent heat escaping on a cold day, similar to homes in the old neighborhood. Companies in the electronic industry typically use fiberglass in their circuit board and audiovisual equipment production as well. Unfortunately, unlike fiberglass, mineral wool can be pricey depending on the type you plan on purchasing. The price range on mineral wool insulation can range from $600 to around $2,000. In addition to the wonders mineral wool does for heat resistance, it is known for its many other uses. For example, soundproofing and insulation is also a major aspect of mineral wool's success in today's society. Many building owners see many benefits in soundproofing their structures both financially and physically. When it comes to denim, you don't tend to think about building insulation. Usually, the only denim most talk about are denim jeans and denim jackets. Nonetheless, studies have shown that recycled denim has proven to be an affordable alternative to other insulation types. It can take the place of any mineral wool and fiberglass insulator in any commercial and residential building. Denim insulation, unlike mineral wool, proves to have much better air quality because it contains no dangerous compounds or gases that could potentially be released inside of a building if not installed correctly. The plan set in motion was to construct a model that exemplifies the process of heat transfer through insulation. A miniature version of a room was created with the heat source of an incandescent light bulb that was placed at the center of it to represent heat traveling through drywall and being trapped in due to insulation. In each wall of the model, there was a different insulation type placed. This project was intended to be a simple and effective system that can be created out of relatively inexpensive materials and accomplish a set goal. In these numerous trials, the information collected was quantitative data. These numbers not only prove how effective the stimulation was when it came to its primary function of retaining heat, but also expresses the temperature drop of each insulation material. During each trial, the model was tested on being able to hold in heat for as long as it possibly could. From the three trials and the amount of quantitative data gathered, the efficiency of the model can be deduced. These, tri- these trials tested how well the simulation worked in response to the light bulb. After collecting the data from the simulation, it can be concluded that fiberglass is the best insulation material. Fiberglass retained the most heat and had the lowest temperature drop all other insulators being tested. The side of the model with no insulation did the worst. Since there was a definite material that did the worst and best, it let us know that the model worked the way it's supposed to. From the results, there was a plethora of things that can be done to better the research practicum project. Even though there was enough results to conclude a decision about the project, the design of my project could be altered. Since my design incorporated filling each wall of my model with a different material, each side may be affected by certain outside conditions, potentially such as a slight breeze on one side of the wall, impacting the temperature reading. This could cause problems because of if a certain material is determined to be the best insulator, as another material was deemed lesser because of unknown conditions, the test would be invalid. However, in conditions as perfect as possible, the design is surely effective. It is able to test any full materials you desired in record time. Since minimal problems occurred, it could be concluded that fiberglass is the best insulator out of the bunch. Construction installation in homes all around the world come in various shapes and sizes. They also come in different price points as well. However, no matter the installation type, they have come a long way from when they were first implemented into society. Using the installation station project will not only benefit us, but it benefit people all around the globe.